Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add PDF in your Android development kit. Let's see it. At the first I wanna show you my version of Android. You can go to the help, about, and this is my version of Android, the latest version of Android Studio. If your Android Studio is the latest version, at the first step you have to add this implementation. I'll put it at the comment section and below. You have to add this implementation. After that, sync your project. But at the first, I want to show you that. Look, now PDF is not available, and after when we add the implementation of PDF, it will work. Now let's sync it. You have to wait for this. Yes, the implementation is completed successfully. Now let's go to the activity. Now let's add the PDF. Now look, our PDF is now available. Let's specify it. And let's choose an ID for this. But let me make an image view. When the user click on the image view, it brings him or her at another activity. Let's bring an image view and choose an image view. Let me take an image. For example, I want to copy this. Let's go to the drawable folder. In drawable folder, let's paste it. Yes, now it's available here. Now let's put the image view and choose our image. Let's specify it. Yes, it's specified. Now make it clickable. True. Yes, let's go. Because when the user click on the image, it brings him or her, it brings the user in another activity. For this reason we have to need another activity. Let's go and create another activity. Empty views activity, and finish. Now let's go to the activity of book, and here let's specify this constraint layout and interrelative layout. After that, let's specify a PDF. Yes, match parent, and now let's choose an ID for this. For example, first XML. Now let's go to the main activity. In main activity, I'm gonna create the on-click listener for image view. For this reason, first let's make the object of image view. Let me see it. The idea of my image view. Yes, the idea of my image view is image view. Now let's make it on click listener. Let's set on click listener. Intent. equal to new instance main activity dot this and another activity. Now start activity intent. Yes. Now let's go to the book.java, and here at the first we have to make the object of PDFView. PDFView into PDFView equal to find view by ID or dot ID dot first XML, and after that let's go and add the PDF. Where is the first book? Yes, let's copy this, Control C, and go to the project. In project folder we need to make another folder. You can go to here, click on it, right click, go to the new asset folder, go to the folder, asset folder, and finish. And after that let's paste it here. Okay, now our PDF is available. Now let's go to PDF view dot from asset, and inside of double quotation we have to write the name of our PDF. First PDF, first dot PDF. Write the name of this. After that let's click load, and now let's see the result of our application. We have to wait until it becomes ready. The the problem is I forgot something to add here. Go to the Gradle.properties, and here you have to enable Jetfire. Android dot enable Jetfire equal to true. And now let's sync our project and see it. Yes, it works. And now let's run our program. Yes, our problem is solved. You can go to the Gradle.properties. Look this time. What says this, bro? Oh, I think the spell was incorrect, and this is the right spelling of Jetifier. Let's sync it. Yes, now let's run our program and see it. Yes, the problem was I forgot to enable Jetfire. Now our project is ready. When the user click on this book or image, the PDF of this book will be open. Let's see it. Click on it. Yeah, this is the PDF of this book. Look.